Hey, I finally got the stand to hold my camera. What I want to show you is once you're inside your sketchbook, go ahead and frame out, it doesn't have to be neat, just frame out the edges of your page. And then, so today I like to use star. So I have the shapes that I found at craft shop and pulled out the star shape because that's one of my symbols, and then dip my brush in the Sumi ink, and I seem to want to put it here on the page a lot, so I'm just going to do that. Hold it down, go around it with the Sumi ink to get this shape to show nice and dark, and then I paint, over the edges of the shape, nice and dark. And then what I find is where I've left the brush off, I like to get some water on there and spread it out so it doesn't look like it was just painted in one spot. So then I'll leave the star shape, I'll leave the symbol shape on there, and then I just move to just lots of water, right? Because with lots of water, the other thing I find is once the water meets the Sumi ink, it makes these beautiful sort of running rivers of Sumi ink and water. I also, so it's just sort of intuitive, I sort of leave some white spaces, I'll let go of that, because I just kind of like how that looks. And then if I want to add in color later, I can, or just leave it black and white. The other thing that's fun to do is once you've got some kind of piles of, swirling water back into the Sumi ink and just drop it in there. It makes these beautiful designs in the water. Put some more water. And that's it. Just taking some time in the morning to put on your shape, paint around it with Sumi ink, and then I'll show you underneath, and there's the star.